Okay, we need some stairs to climb up to our playground, but we'll keep them simple. Draw a rectangle starting from this midpoint inference down to the corner of the platform. And then we'll pull this shape out 4 feet. Navigate to see the bottom side and pull this rectangle down using the base of the pillars to inference to. Now use the tape measure tool to create a guide 12 inches from this edge on the top surface and another guide 8 inches down from the side of our block. Then use the line tool and draw a line based on our guides. Hit the escape key to stop drawing additional lines. At this point, we have a few guidelines we don't need anymore. You can delete guides with the eraser tool. But you can also clear all guides by opening the display panel on the right side of the screen and then choosing Delete All Guides. Remember, we can also search for guides as well. Back to our stairs. One of the important concepts of SketchUp is that you are using the drawing tools to divide simple surfaces into more complex shapes. If I drew a line from this endpoint to the edge, it would break this larger surface into 2 surfaces. We can do essentially the same thing by copying edges as well. Let me undo that last line, and rather than drawing new edges, we're going to select these 2 edges, copy them several times, which will have the same effect as if we were to draw these edges. It will divide the large surface into more complex shapes. So to start, we'll select just these 2 edges. Remember to hold the Shift key to add or subtract from your selection. With these edges selected, use the Move tool and be deliberate with your move. We're going to start the move from this endpoint. As we try to move these edges, it's warping the geometry, but simply tap Control or Option on a Mac to activate a copy and move the copied edges exactly to this endpoint. Now we can repeat this copy manually 2 more times. Or if you are comfortable with the array function we introduced in the last lesson, you could array the first copy 3 times. Either method should have the same results: a new surface that we could push-pull and carve away to create our stairs. As an additional option, you could leave the entire block of stairs or carve away some of the lower block. I'm going to draw a simple 2-point arc from edge to edge and carve away that shape with push-pull. Whatever you choose, remember to group our stairs before moving on.